Over the weekend, the United States became the third major power to approve vaccines. Within 24 hours, the supplies of the Pfizer vaccine was rolled out, and today the first set of healthcare workers received the shot. America wants to inoculate 20 million citizens in the next 1 month. How will it achieve this ambitious target? Our next report has some details.
Two unassuming medics in New York have made history, the first Americans to receive the Covid-19 vaccine. They say they wanted to set an example, to show that the jab is safe and efficient. It's a moment America has been waiting for since Friday, when regulators approved the Pfizer vaccine for emergency use. But the approval didn't come without its share of controversies. Reports say Trump's White House chief of staff had issued a warning to the commissioner of the Food and Drug Administration, the American regulator. He was told to either approve the vaccines or leave his position by the end of the day. The FDA gave the nod, but denied that its commissioner was threatened. The first batches are now being dispatched around America. With hospitals now gearing up to administer the shot. An initial shipment of about 2.9 million doses will be sent across the country this week. The vaccines are being transported in special packaging with dry ice. Special freezers like these are being used to keep the doses at 70 degrees below freezing. This hospital in Chicago will be one of the many centers that will inoculate citizens. This factory in particular aims to vaccinate 1,000 people in a day. The biggest challenge is keeping the shots cool.
That ultra-low freezer we can only open for 2 minutes at a time, otherwise it'll go out of range, so we have to be very precise in our movements. And once we take the drug out, we have to move it to the refrigerator within a 10-minute time frame so it doesn't fall into the ultra-quick defrost. If it defrosts too quickly, we only get 2 hours stability. If we can defrost it slowly, we get 5 days of stability.
Unlike most countries in the world, the United States is following a decentralized plan to distribute the shots. The states get to choose where the supplies go, and not Washington. With the first shots going to healthcare workers and the elderly, America has set ambitious targets for itself. It plans to give 20 million citizens their first shot in a month. With 4 countries now kicking off their max vaccination programs, the European Union is getting restless. The German health minister has claimed that they are hamstrung by the lack of regulatory approval, with the European Medicines Agency still mulling whether they should approve the Pfizer shot or not. In anticipation, Germany has built up more than 400 vaccination centers and deployed 10,000 doctors. They are ready to give the shot from Tuesday itself. If the approvals come through.
The minister
spoke yesterday about the approval of the vaccine and said that every day we can start vaccinating earlier, it reduces suffering and protects the most vulnerable. We expect the EMA to give approval for the vaccine by the end of the month, which will then be confirmed by the European Commission, and immediately after that, vaccination can start.
The approval in America may drive other regulators around the world to give the green light too. But the Pfizer shot is not for everyone. Until December at least. Pfizer plans to supply this vaccine in America and Europe for now. Bureau Report, World is One.
Thank you for watching Gravitas on WION's YouTube channel. If you want to stay up to date with what's happening around the world, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and share. Thank you very much for watching WION, World is One.